Welcome to another no-nonsense Airbnb video. If you are a host in Scotland and if you've got your short-term license number or if you have applied for a short-term license number, in this video I will show you exactly where you need to mention that number on your listing. Try and do this from a computer because Airbnb phone app is not really well designed for things like this. Once you are logged into your Airbnb and you're on your listing page, you need to go to the Policies and Rules tab, and under there just scroll down until you see Regulations option here under Laws and Regulations. Click on the Regulations button, and on this page you need to do three things. The first one is add your registration number. So you will just click on Start and add your registration number. Even if you have applied for the license, you can just mention your temporary reference number here. That will be fine. And once you have the license, you can just update it with the real license number. There are two more things you need to do. Enter your EPC rating. You will just click on Start and enter your EPC rating under this option. And the third thing which you must do is click on this Start at the local laws in Scotland. And you just need to read and agree to all these terms and conditions. This is all you need to do with your application reference number or your actual license number if you have. I hope you find this video useful. Please do like and subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment if you would like me to make a video about something which is troubling you. Until next time, bye-bye.